Hello everyone. In this class we will make a 3D cake. Now let's make star icing. Shift A, mash and go to extras and simple star. If you cannot find this extra, go to edit, preferences, add-ons, and in the search bar write down extra and check this add mesh extra objects, so you will get the star. So now shift A, mash, extra and simple star. Top view, press tab for the face mode, select the top face, extrude it to Z axis, EZ, scale inside, again extrude to Z axis, scale inside, now we'll apply the modifier. Go to modifier tab and subdivision surface, make it 2. Now we'll add the simple deform modifier. Go to modifier and select the simple deform, select the Z axis and here make it twist, select the twist and now we'll twist this. Now select the top vertices, make sure all are selected and scale it more down. Now adjust this. Right click and shade smooth. Now it is looking like a frosting only. Make it small. Now we'll adjust on this cake. Now we will add this icing on the cake. Now apply this simple deform, select the icing, right click, set origin and origin to geometry. Now shift S and cursor to selected, right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Now 3D origin is at the 3D cursor. Now select the star icing. We will put the 6 star icing. So 360 divided by 6 is 60 degree. So we will rotate this icing at the 60 degree. Shift D, RZ60, Shift D, RZ60, Shift D, RZ60, Shift D, RZ60, Shift D, RZ60. So now we have the icing. Now we'll select all this star icing, press shift and click. Now press Ctrl J to join, and this is the star icing. Now we will make cherry. Shift A, mesh and UV sphere. Press tab for the edit mode. Press 1 for the vertex mode and select the top vertex. Now press O or click here for the proportional editing. Now click on the arrow and select the sharp. Now press G. We'll make this circle big by scrolling mouse wheel and now press X and delete vertices. Now press 2 for the edge mode and select this edge. Alt Shift and click to select the whole circle. Now press F to fill. Press I to insert and insert it little bit. One more time I and insert. Now E, extrude up, again E and extrude, again E and extrude. Press 1 for the vertex mode and we'll bend it little bit. Press 3 for the face mode and press I and insert it little bit. Now the front view, press tab, press 3 for the face mode, X-ray mode, Alt Z and select the bottom faces, press X and delete the faces. Now press 2 for the edge mode and select this edge, Alt Shift and click. Now press F to fill, press I and insert. Now go to modifier properties and select the subdivision surface. Value make it 2. Right click on the cherry and shade smooth. The cherry is ready. Now select this and scale it down. We'll place between the star icing. we arrange star icing, we set origin at the center of the top icing. Same way for the cherry also we will set the origin. So select the cherry, right click and set origin to 3D cursor. Now go to top view, select the cherry, copy it, shift D, R, Z, 0, 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 shift D, R, Z, 0. Now we place the cherry also. Save the file. How we arrange cherries and icing on the top cake, same way I arrange on the bottom cake also. Now let's create candle. Select all this and hide it. Front view, shift A, mesh and cylinder, make the vertices 12 here, reduce the vertices, scale down, scale it to Z axis as Z, press tab for the edit mode, press 3 for the face mode and select the top face. Now press I and insert, and drag it up. Now again I and insert. Now extrude this E and extrude up. Now go to modifier tab and select the simple deform, make the Z axis, keep it the twist and increase the angle. And adjust it. Now we will make the flame of the candle. Shift A, mesh and UV sphere. Go to front view, scale it small, bring it here. Now scale it to X and Y axis. We will not scale on the Z axis, so S, shift and Z. Now you can see here. Go to edit mode 1 and select the top vertices. Press O for the proportional editing and press S and scale down, and here also select the down one, press S and make it little big. Now adjust the flame. Now our flame is ready. And compare it into flame. Candle is big, so let's make it small. Now scale this flame also. Now they will bring back the hidden objects. Alt H. Now select the candle and flame. Bring it top and scale it down. Still looking big, make it small. Now I think this is fine. Now we will make lollipop candy. So select everything and press H to hide. Now we'll add the spiral. Shift A, curve and curve spiral and Archimedean. Go to top view. Make the turns 3, steps 20, radius growth. Make the 20 or whatever you like. And this is fine. Click on the object data properties. Go to geometry and increase the depth. I think this is fine. Now select the curve and copy this, Shift D and scale it down. Make it small. And now we will adjust this. I think this is fine and later on we will adjust. Now select the both curve, go to object and click on the convert and click on the mesh. So now this curve is converted into the mesh. Now this is fine. Now let's adjust this gap. Select the outer curve, press tab and press 1 for the vertex mode. Press O for the proportional editing and press G. And now adjust this. For this process, I am fast forwarding the video. Now select spirals and go to modifiers tab. Select the subdivision surface and right click, shade smooth. Increase the level here. Now this looks like a candy. We'll close this. Press F. both and RX90. Now we'll make the candy stick. Shift A, mesh and cylinder. Scale it down. And now SZ. Now the lollipop is ready. Now let's bring back hidden objects. Alt H. Now adjust this candy in the cake. Scale down. Now select the candy. Let's adjust this one. Select the candy and candy stick and rotate it. This is fine. Make it little small. Shift D and bring it here and rotate this one a little bit big. Now shift D again, scale down and bring it front. For this process, I am fast forwarding the video. Now the candy is also set. Now let's make the stand of the cake. So shift A, mesh and cylinder. This stand will be very simple. Bring it down. Scale it big. It will be the bigger than the cake. This is fine. Scale it to Z as Z and make it very thin. This is fine, I think. Now again take a cylinder, shift A, mesh and cylinder, scale down, bring it also down, go to top view, press tab for the edit mode and select the top face. And scale down. This is fine. Insert it. Now select the bottom face and that is also inset. Select the stand and we'll apply the subdivision surface. Select the top face and insert it. Same way bottom face and insert it. Right click and shade smooth. Same with the below one. Subdivision surface. Add the edge loop. Right click and shade smooth. Now the cake with the stand is ready.